how to find seed on Aternos of Minecraft world. So if you want to find the seed, just make sure that you log in on Aternos first and just simply go to the server you want to find the seed of. So I have my server right here, so just simply click on it. Now once you're there, make sure that for once you have activated or started the world. So this will not work if you haven't activated the world yet, but once that you have activated or started the world, you just simply go to files right here. Now once you're there, you simply need to go to worlds, then wait for it to load, then click on world again, then click on level.dat or level.dat. So just click on that. Now once you're here, you will see the seed is just basically right there, and you could just highlight it so that you could copy it. So, Control C, or just simply need to copy. Now you could paste it to your Minecraft world to basically copy the seed of the world. So when I copy right there, that's the seed. And that's how you basically find the seed of your Minecraft world on Aternos.